Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel Original Maze, and today we are going to unbox the Smartwatch A1 which I have ordered from the Ras.pk. So let's open the package. So here is our watch box, and this is a paper. So let's open this. Music player, micro USB, notification, hand free, and this is the watch, smartwatch, Bluetooth, Bluetooth smartwatch. What is this? So here is the cover, and here is our watch with a packet. Wow. Here are the buttons. This is the screen with a screensaver, and this is the camera. So here is the back cover. This is speaker, and this is the step. So this is the micro USB cable. This is the battery. Nothing else. So this is the manual, which is in Chinese, so it is rubbish for me. Wait a second, no, it is also in English. That's great. Okay, this is the battery, let's check this. The battery is little damaged, I think so. Voltage 3.7 volts. Capacity is 380 mAh. Almost 2 hours or 2.5 hours. Micro USB cable. Let's check the watch now. So let's open the back cover to insert the battery. So I have this in the back cover. Here we can insert the SIM, and here SD card. So let's battery. So I have inserted the battery in it. Let's put back the back cover. So I have put in back the cover. Let's switch it on. So let's check it from this side. So here we have the Bluetooth. So I am going to activate the Bluetooth, and now I'm going to pair it with. So I'm going to pair it with this Bluetooth hand-free. I have connected it successfully, means the Bluetooth is good. Let's check other features. This is pedometer. The touch is not working, so it is also good. So let's check the calculator. Yes, that's also good. So here we have the alarm system. So all features are very good. So this was all. If you liked the video, then subscribe my channel and click on the like button if you like this video.